Hello, I will show you my new swivel for drilling rigs. It is designed to supply drilling fluid into the drill string during its rotation. This swivel has a long service life without replacement of seals. It is resistant to axial loads. The shaft of the swivel can be restored after a long time. The main innovation is stainless bushings, which are mounted on the shaft. They are made of hardened stainless steel and grinded to mirror state. The shaft does not corrode during operation. The seals slide over a smooth surface. After a few years you will be able to replace the bushings with the new ones. It means that the swivel operational life is not limited. All details, body, shaft, flanges, nuts are covered with zinc. When in contact with water, the metal will not rust. Seal and seats will retain their original condition. We use tapered roller bearings. They can take strong shocks and vibrations. The swivel is a supporting element that receives loads and transfers them to the drilling rig frame. In this way, the load is removed from the rotator. A hydraulic motor or gearbox cannot hold drill rods with tool. It will quickly fail. However, if the swivel is installed and connected rigidly to the rig carriage, the motor will rotate only. As a result, the service life will be much longer. Very often, other swivel manufacturers use radial bearings, but they can only operate with radial loads. In this case, loads are directed up and down along the axis. Therefore, only tapered roller bearings must be used. 3 seals barriers are used to ensure tightness. The first and the most important one is fluoroplastic bushings. They have interference on inner and outer diameter. Due to the tight fit and wide slip plane, the contact with abrasive particles which are contained in water is excluded. Standard seals cannot operate with such conditions. When in contact with sand, the seals quickly become inoperative, and the grooves are formed on shaft surface. Therefore, we use white fluoroplastic bushings to protect the seals against abrasive particles. The second barrier, standard reinforced cuffs. They are capable of holding the pressure. The internal cavity is filled with oil during assembly. It is widely agreed to pump additional oil, but it is not required for such type of seals. Those cuffs operate in ideal conditions. They are in an oily medium and do not interact with abrasive particles. Sliding over a hard stainless steel bushing with grinded surface eliminates the formation of grooves. In such conditions, seals can operate for many years. The third seal barrier is answered by the tightness of the swivel body. The inner cavity in which the bearings are located is filled with oil, so we installed the cuffs inside the flanges. A massive flange with fastening holes is used for connection to the drilling rig. The swivel is rigidly connected to the rig carriage and transfers the load to the rig frame. To do this, you can make a transition piece or adapter bushings that will be connected to the swivel and the carriage. We have developed a universal connection that will be compatible with various motors. This is a bushing inside which the connection is made. It can be a key, spline, hex, square, thread, etc. We have a ready-made bushings for most rotators. You can use several bushings for various motors. They are interchangeable. If you want to use another connection, I will give you a solid bushing, inside which you can do it yourself. We can make also a connection inside shaft on special order, without use of bushing. For example, for a big rotator with a locking pin, or similar connection with a big hexagon. An adapter is used to connect to drill rods. It is screwed on swivel shaft. Because different types of threads which are used in drilling rigs, there is a body to cut your thread on the back of the adapter. In this way, our swivel is compatible with any rods. After prolonged operation, the thread will be wore out. The adapter can be replaced with a new one. To lock the adapter in reverse rotation is used a special nut. The operation of the clamping device is that the thread pitch of the nut differs from the adapters. They need to be welded together. In this state, the adapter will not unscrew. A quick detachable aluminum joint is used to supply water. One part is screwed on the body, the second one is connected to a hose. The kit includes swivel, adapter, motor connection, water connection and spare seals. This swivel is the most technologically advanced solution for a small drilling rig. Due to use of replaceable stainless bushings, its operational life is unlimited. After installation on your drilling rig, you forget about constant breakdowns and will do a business with pleasure. I sell swivels to all countries. Now my swivels are used by drillers from the USA, Australia, Mexico, Kenya, Switzerland and many other countries from all over the world. All my customers are satisfied. Many of them become dealers and sell my swivels in their countries. I had a challenge to develop a swivel which would be operate for many years without any problems. The task has been completed. Now my goal is to sell this swivel to the whole world. In some countries there are very high taxes. I'll help you to pay less. In some countries delivery services do not operate. We will use another way. I will do anything to deliver my swivel for each driller. If you want to buy this swivel, follow link in description. If you have any questions, write them in comments. I will give a detailed answer. Write in which country you live. I will report a shipping cost. Subscribe channel, follow me in social networks. Good luck, bye.